Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So let's start the new topic. Yes beta, today's topic is exploring magnets. And under this, what we are going to cover? Yes, very good. Our aim to learn is history of magnet. We will learn about history of magnet, magnetic and non-magnetic materials, finding directions, making magnets, uses of magnets, storing and carrying of magnets and its types, poles of a magnet, attraction and repulsion between magnets, properties of magnet and demagnetization. You will learn about all these topics. So, are you people ready? Let's begin. तुलसी साथी विपत्ति के विद्या विनय विवेक सहज सुकृत सुसत्य व्रत राम भरोसो एक. सो ये पंक्ति आपको आई होप अच्छी लगी होगी. वार्म अप करते, वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज. Look at the picture given below. Put a tick against each object you think will get attracted to a magnet and a cross against the ones that will not. So, क्या करना है बच्चों आपको पिक करना है एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो आप सोचते हो कि मैग्नेट के थ्रू अट्रैक्ट होता है और एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि नहीं होता है. राइट? नाउ यू विल बी एक्साइटेड टू लर्न अबाउट हिस्ट्री ऑफ मैग्नेट. आई एम ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड. सो लेट्स बिगिन बच्चों. It is thought that the word magnet is derived from the name of a place called Magnesia in ancient Greece, which is now a part of Turkey. But some people assign the name magnet to the name of the shepherd boy Menges. He had many sheep and goats and used to take them to the nearby mountains for grazing, and in order to control the herd of sheep and goats, he had a stick in his band. अपने हाथ में एक स्टिक रखा करते थे. राइट? ताकि वो कंट्रोल कर सकें, जो भी शीप हैं या गोट्स हैं वो इधर उधर ना चले जाएं, तो उसके लिए स्टिक यूज़ करते थे. द स्टिक ऑन वन एंड वाज कवर्ड विद आयरन टिप. बाय चांस वन डे ही रेस्टेड हिज स्टिक विद आयरन माउंटेड एंड ऑन स्टोन विच गोट clung to it immediately. The stone was a natural magnet and which attracted the iron tip of its stick very strongly. This is story behind the discovery of the natural magnets. यानी ये लाइक हमारी इंसिडेंटली ये हुआ था कि वो जो चरवाहा था, जो बकरियां और भेड़ बकरियां और लाइक चरवाने के लिए ले जाते थे, उनके थ्रू ये इन्वेंशन हुआ था, ये डिस्कवरी उनके थ्रू हुआ था, विच वॉज नेचुरल मैग्नेट्स. नेचुरल मैग्नेट्स आर कॉल्ड लोड स्टोन्स. Right, बच्चों? Now we will read about magnet and its types. Any material which has the property of attracting certain materials such as iron, cobalt and nickel is called a magnet. The word magnet has been derived from the word magnetic. The property of a material to attract substances like iron is called magnetism. Magnets can be classified into natural एंड आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट्स. जैसा कि पहले मैंने आपको बताया कि वो नेचुरल मैग्नेट था. सो इन दो पार्ट्स में हम इसे डिवाइड करते हैं. वन इज नेचुरल एंड अनदर इज आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट्स. अ मटेरियल विच अकर्स नेचुरली एंड पोजेसेस मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज इज कॉल्ड अ नेचुरल मैग्नेट. मैग्नेटाइट lodestone is an example of natural magnet. Later on, the process of making magnets from pieces of iron was discovered. There are no these are known as artificial magnets. Nowadays, artificial magnets are prepared in different shapes. For example, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet, ring shaped magnet, dumbbell shaped magnet and so on. सो कितनी तरह के मैग्नेट आजकल हम जो आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट बनाते हैं, इतनी तरह के मैग्नेट आपको यूज़ करने में आएंगे और हमें बहुत मज़ा आता है मैग्नेट यूज़ करने में. When I was in my childhood, I used to play with these magnets. I hope आपको भी अच्छा लगता होगा. Can you see in these pictures हम कैसे उसके ऊपर कुछ चिपका कर खेलते हैं. हमारे हाथ के नीचे एक मैग्नेट होता है, ऊपर होता है, तो वो किसी चीज़ को खींचता है, अट्रैक्ट करता है, तो हमें कितना अच्छा लगता है. आज इसकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ के आपको कितना अच्छा लगा कि आपको पता चला कि इसकी डिस्कवरी हमने कहाँ से हुई. राइट? Magnetic and non-magnetic materials, materials which are attracted by a magnet, are called magnetic materials. These can artificially be converted into magnets. Cobalt, iron, nickel and their alloy are examples of magnetic materials. Materials which are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. These materials cannot be converted into magnets. Wood, plastic, gold, aluminium etc. are examples of non-magnetic materials, यानी जिससे अगर हम मैग्नेट चिपकाएं तो वो नहीं चिपकता है. तो ये सब एग्जाम्पल्स हैं बच्चों जो नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स के अंडर में आते हैं. Now we have poles of a magnet. Let us know, see which regions in a magnet have strong magnetism. Activity time: put some iron fillings on a drawing sheet, roll a bar magnet in the filling and then lift it up. Do the iron fillings, cling to the magnet uniformly along the length, or do they cling to certain portions of the magnet? Repeat this with the horseshoe magnet. What do you observe? Do this activity. So children, after this activity time, you will find that the maximum amount of iron filings cling to the two ends of the bar magnet. There are fewer iron filings in between and almost one at the center. This shows that two ends of a bar magnet or horseshoe magnet has maximum magnetic force. The two ends of a magnet where the magnetic force is the strongest are called poles of the magnet. Try and bring a few magnets of different shapes to the classrooms. Check for the location of the poles on these magnets using iron filings. Again activity time bachcho. What is the aim to do this activity? To show that magnetic force is maximum at the ends of the magnet and materials required. Bar magnet we require L-pins and procedure. What is the procedure? Suspend a bar magnet and try to stick iron L-pins across its length, and you can observe that the number of L-pins which stick to the magnet decreases as we go towards its center. Conclusion: this activity shows that magnetic force is maximum at the ends, yani ki poles of the magnet. Finding directions. Let us now see that what happens when a bar magnet is suspended freely. You will notice that freely suspended bar magnet always comes to rest in a particular direction, that is the north-south direction. One end of the magnet always point towards the north and it is called its north-seeking end or the north pole of the magnet. The other end which points towards the south is called south-seeking end or the south pole of the magnet. Please mark it बच्चों, underline कर लीजिए. It is only a freely suspended magnet or a freely pivoted magnet and which comes to the rest along to the north-south direction even after being disturbed again and again. We therefore conclude that all magnets have two poles whatever their shape may be. This property of magnet is very useful to us. For centuries, sailors have been making use of this property of magnets to find the directions. यही जो हमारे ट्रैवलर्स हुआ करते थे बरसों पहले बच्चों, इसी प्रॉपर्टी का जो मैग्नेट की प्रॉपर्टी है इसी का यूज़ किया करते थे डायरेक्शंस को ढूंढने के लिए. They used to find directions by suspending natural magnets with a thread. So पहले नेचुरल मैग्नेट्स का बहुत यूज़ होता था बेटा. अभी तो हम लोग बहुत सारे आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट्स बन गए हैं, बट पहले हम इसी तरह काम चलाया करते थे. मैग्नेटिक कंपास. A magnetic compass is a simple device used by sailors, travelers and navigators to find the direction in which their aeroplane or ship is going. So इसके इस पर्पस के लिए भी यूज़ होता है. जब ट्रैवलर्स कभी एरोप्लेन से जा रहे हैं, शिप से जा रहे हैं, तो भी हम इस मैग्नेटिक कंपास का यूज़ करते हैं ताकि हमें डायरेक्शन दिखाई दे सके. It consists of a flat circular case of brass or aluminium with a glass top. A small magnetized needle is pivoted at its center. The base of the case is marked with directions. So, which you can see in the picture, magnetic compass. Yes, this was being used there at that time. The north of the compass needle always points towards south. Once you know the north direction, you can easily find out other directions. अगर आपको north direction मिल जाती है तो आप बाकी directions को आसानी से ढूंढ सकते हैं. If you stand facing the north, your back will be towards south. ठीक है ना. अगर आप नॉर्थ की तरफ खड़े हैं तो बैक कहाँ होगी? साउथ की तरफ. ईस्ट विल बी ऑन योर राइट एंड वेस्ट विल बी ऑन योर लेफ्ट. सो देयरफॉर बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द नीडल वन कैन फाइंड आउट द डिजायर जो भी आपकी डिजायर्ड डायरेक्शन है आप उसे ढूंढ सकते हैं. राइट. साइंस फैक्ट क्या है बच्चों यहाँ? मैनी एनिमल्स सच एज माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स, carrier, pigeons and several types of fish can feel the magnetic force of the earth and follow it as they travel. Can magnetic poles be isolated? Have you ever thought of what will happen when a bar magnet is broken into two pieces? सोचा है आपने कभी? अगर बार मैग्नेट दो पीसेस में ब्रेक हो जाए तो क्या होगा? Will the north pole get separated from the south pole? It was found that each piece behaves as a whole magnet, each with its own north and south poles. If we further break these pieces again, we would get 4 separate magnets, each with its own north and south poles. We can continue this process and get smaller and smaller magnets, each with a north and south pole. We conclude that poles always exist in pair and we can never have an isolated north pole or south pole. तो मार्क कर लीजिए बेटा, हम लोग नहीं हो सकता कभी ऐसा कि आइसोलेटेड हमें नॉर्थ पोल या साउथ पोल मिले. तो हम लोग जो हमारा क्वेश्चन था उसका हमें आंसर मिल गया. अट्रैक्शन एंड रिपल्शन बिटवीन मैग्नेट्स. एक्टिविटी टाइम. सस्पेंड अ बार मैग्नेट, मैग्नेट A in north south direction. Slowly bring the north pole of another bar magnet, magnet B, near the north pole of suspended magnet. What do you observe? Do the poles attract or repel each other? Now bring the north pole of magnet B near the south pole of magnet A. Note your observation in the table. Repeat the experiment with the south pole of magnet B. Now you have this table. Complete this table according to you have to observe, you have to write your observation, जो भी attraction observation है, and repel you have to write here. Then you will notice that unlike poles attract each other whereas like poles repel each other. That is, if north pole of the bar magnet is taken close to the south pole of another bar magnet, it attracts it and cling, but a north pole repels another north pole and north pole जो है वो C अगर आपने cling किया किसके साथ? अट्रैक्ट करेगा वो उसे, बट अ नॉर्थ पोल रिपेल्स अनदर नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल रिपेल्स अनदर साउथ पोल. ओके, एज यू कैन सी इन अ पिक्चर, अट्रैक्शन AB एंड रिपल्शन क्या है? CD ऑफ मैग्नेटिक पोल्स. मेकिंग मैग्नेट्स. दीज आर सेवरल मेथड. हम लोग बहुत सारे मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि आपको बहुत सारे मैग्नेट्स का मिला, तो देर आर सेवरल मेथड्स ऑफ मेकिंग मैग्नेट्स. द ईजिएस्ट वे, ईजी वे कौन सा है ऑफ मेकिंग अ मैग्नेट इज बाय द स्ट्रोकिंग मैथड. In this method, a piece of iron is magnetized by using a magnet in the following way. तो आइए पता करते हैं कौन सा तरीका है. Place a rectangular piece of iron which is to be made a magnet on the table, जिसको magnet आपने बनाना है. Right? Now take a bar magnet and place one of its poles near one edge of the iron bar without lifting the bar magnet. Move the lower end of the bar magnet along the length of iron bar till you reach the other end. After reaching the other end, lift the magnet and bring the same pole to the same point of the iron bar from which you began, जहाँ से आपने शुरू किया था. Move the magnet again along the whole length in the same direction. Repeat this process of stroking the iron bar with the same end of the bar magnet in the same direction about 30 to 40 times. Bring some iron filings or a pin near the iron bar to check whether it has become a magnet. ठीक है, आप उसे चेक करेंगे कि वो मैग्नेट में कन्वर्ट हुआ या नहीं. इफ नॉट, अगर नहीं हुआ है तो कंटिन्यू दिस प्रोसेस फॉर मोर टाइम, आप बार बार उसे करें. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज एन आयरन नेल, अ नीडल और अ ब्लेड and convert them into a magnet. Also suspend it freely to see which end has become the north pole. You will find that if you stroke that with the north pole of the magnet, the end of the iron bar from which the stroking is started become the north pole and vice versa. Okay ji, now we have the topic properties of a magnet. You want to know about? Yes, I'm going to start this. Be attentive please. Bar magnets are used to study the properties of magnets. The number one property is attractive property. अब यहाँ जानने वाले हैं हम कि किस तरह से attractive property में काम होता है, उसकी properties क्या हैं. तो first है हमारे पास attractive property, in which what happens, a magnet can attract magnetic substances towards it. The property is called attractive property of the magnet, जहाँ पे वो अपनी तरफ उसको attract करता है. Now another one is directive property. A freely suspended magnet always rest pointing in the north-south direction. This property of a magnet is called its directive property. A freely suspended magnet always point in north-south direction. Okay, like poles repel, unlike poles attract each other. Let us understand attraction and repulsion of magnets through the following activity. Let's do one activity बच्चों. Take two bar magnets, keep them end to end on a flat surface. Bring one end of the first magnet to one end of the second magnet. Do they stick together or do they push each other away? Now turn one of the magnets and again bring their ends close. What happens now? You will find in one case the ends stick to each other, whereas in the other case they push each other. एक तरफ उन्होंने चिपका दिया और दूसरी तरफ एक दूसरे को धकेल रहे हैं वो, right? This happens because of the same poles of two magnets repel each other while the opposite poles of two magnets attract each other. So the north pole of the magnet will repel the north pole of the other magnet by attract its south pole. Thus we can say that the like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Okay, so now point number 4, we are going to read about magnetic poles always exist in pairs. As studied earlier, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले ऊपर भी बताया, each magnet has two poles, one is north pole, right, and another is south pole. Both of the poles of a magnet are inseparable, जो अलग नहीं हो सकते. If a bar magnet is pole itself, these pieces are broken again. Each small piece acts as a complete magnet with two poles. This show that pole of a magnet always exist in pairs. What are the uses of magnets? Do you know the uses of magnets? आइए मैं आपको बताती हूँ. There are several uses of magnets in our lives. Magnets are used in bulletin boards and toys. Motors, generators and loudspeakers have powerful magnets. In scrapyards, magnets are used to separate iron and steel from junk materials. जैसा कि आप देखते हो जो कूड़ा कलेक्ट करते हैं, जो बड़े बड़े स्क्रैप्स होते हैं उनके, उसमें ढूंढा जाता है उनको मैग्नेट्स के थ्रू. Data, sound and images are sorted on special surfaces coated with magnetic material in computer hard disks, floppies, audios and videotapes. Information is stored on magnetic strips in credit cards, ATM cards and airline tickets. Magnets are used in magnetic compass, which is used by sailors to find directions. Nuclear magnetic resonance NMR imaging is used to study the brain. And what is a science fact? The earth itself behaves like a one big magnet. This is because the earth's outer core consists of liquid metals, mainly iron and nickel. So now we have demagnetization. The process by which a magnet loses its magnetic properties is called demagnetization. The reasons due to which a magnet can lose its magnetic properties or can be magnetized are given below. Number 1, improper storage can cause loss of magnetic properties. Heating a magnet to high temperature, keeping a magnet close to electronic devices like mobiles, computers and televisions, hitting a magnet with hammer, dropping a magnet from a height repeatedly, rubbing similar poles of two magnets. Now storing and carrying of magnets. A magnet should be stored properly so that it does not lose its properties. बहुत ध्यान से संभाल के रखना पड़ेगा. To preserve magnetism for a long time, magnets are stored in a magnetic keepers. The bar magnet should be stored in pairs in a wooden box. जो लकड़ी के बड़े बड़े डिब्बे होते हैं ना, उनमें separated by a piece of wood such that their opposite ends face each other. Furthermore, pieces of iron should be placed at the both ends. These pieces of iron can be called magnetic keepers. In case of a horse show, magnets are stored properly just by keeping a bar of soft iron across their ends. So बच्चों, आपने बहुत अच्छे से चैप्टर को सुना. आपके पास एक और मौका है, आप चैप्टर को रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, रिकॉल कर सकते हैं थ्रू दिस रिविजन टाइम. रेडी हैं आप सब? अटेंटिव रहिएगा प्लीज. मैग्नेट वाज डिस्कवर्ड in Greek, and magnets can be classified into natural and artificial magnets. Materials which are attracted by magnet are called magnetic materials. Materials which are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. A freely suspended magnet always rests pointing in the north-south direction. Repulsion is a sure test of magnetism. Magnetic compass is used to find direction. A magnetic substance can be easily converted into a magnet by physical methods such as the single touch method. Each magnet has two poles, north and south. Our earth acts like a magnet. ये तो आप सब जानते हैं, right? Okay बच्चों, so now it's your turn now बच्चों. Through exercises you will now practice. You have to darken the circle with the correct option in the OMR sheet in A part. आपके पास OMR sheet दी गई है. आप इन आंसर्स में से एक आपको करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना है. OMR sheet में उसे डार्क करें प्लीज. एज यू कैन सी करेक्ट मेथड ऑफ डार्कन द सर्कल. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ये जो स्टेटमेंट है, सेंटेंसेस हैं, आपके चैप्टर में से उठाए गए हैं. आप चैप्टर चेक करिए, उसमें से इस स्टेटमेंट को कंप्लीट करिए ब्लैंक को फिल करके. स्टेट टी और फॉर ट्रू एंड एफ फॉर फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. आपके चैप्टर की स्टेटमेंट्स यहाँ से पिक किए गए हैं, उन्हें थोड़ा सा मोल्ड किया गया है बच्चों. अगर आपको लगता है ये स्टेटमेंट आपके चैप्टर के अकॉर्डिंग ठीक नहीं है, आप वहाँ एफ लिखें. इफ इट इज करेक्ट, राइट टी. मैच द फॉलोइंग. आपको इन दोनों कॉलम्स को मैच करना है. वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन एंड शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. What you have to do in these, both you will write in your notebook. The answers you have to write in your notebook, and you will give the answer of very short type questions in 2-3 lines, and short type question answers will be written in 4-5 lines, and there are long answer type questions. बच्चों, आपको इन आंसर्स को कॉपी में मेंशन करना है और डिटेल में आपको आंसर लिखने हैं. Activity time. Take a magnetic compass from your school. With its help, get the direction of your school library and your principal's office. Okay, take the help of your science teacher. Homework. Make a magnetic compass with the help of elders. Using the magnetic compass, find the direction in which the main entrance of your house opens. करेंगे आप ये? हेल्प लीजिएगा अपने बड़े लोग जो घर पर हैं उनकी, right? And have fun. Enjoy.